Can you see the given image here? There is a wagon being ridden by this horse or generally horses for transporting goods or people. Let us now look at the example sentence extracted here. The farmer used a wagon to transport his crops to the market. So here the farmer is using this wagon with the help of this horse to transport the crops to the market. రైతు తన పంటల్ని మార్కెట్ తరలించడానికి ఒక బండిని, సో బండిని మీన్స్ హియర్ వ్యాగన్ ఉపయోగించాడు. ద పయనీర్స్ ట్రావెల్డ్, పయనీర్స్ మీన్స్ హూ travel for the first time in that area or in that path, travel across the vast plains in a covered wagon. So this is the example sentence. Now let us see some more